Don't think you're meant to be holding the phone, huh? And going in your WhatsApp.
Sorry?
Don't think you're meant to be holding your phone or going in your WhatsApp. Do you know why he was beeping you? Because he saw me filming you. And he thinks he's a hero, but actually he's a villain doing that. Are you not a bit of a villain warning him that I'm filming him on his phone?
Filming? They're filming?
Yeah. He's on his phone driving, that's why. Oh, I caught you. Didn't I catch you before?
Yeah,
Did you get a ticket or not?
No, I
You-
will fuck off.
You just got a warning.
No, nothing.
I can't remember if I reported you.
Yeah, you reported. You
But
reported.
you think you're a hero?
My solicitor is looking for you.
Yeah,
No problem.
yeah, whatever.
Sooner or later.
Oh, Regent's Park.
Sooner or later.
It's coming.
Sooner or later.
LA69MKV. He won't have anything.